Hello and welcome. My name is Mustafa Lawal, and in this lesson we'll be learning how to use the dimension tools in CorelDRAW. This is very important because in some designs it becomes very necessary for you to know the measurement of whatever you are doing. That is, it involves specifications like you have to know the length, the height, or whatever on your design. So that is why it's important that you know how to take the measurements. Okay, especially in technical drawing. So now let's get started. So come to this toolbar, come to this one now. Look at the parallel dimension tool. So this is just one of them. So to see other tools within this group, you can long press on this and others will reveal, or you click on this small sign here and you see other tools. So now let's bring them out. So let's start with the first one here, which is the what? Parallel dimension tool. Okay. So parallel dimension tool, use it on shapes like this one, okay, like this very first one. Then so parallel like this. So that's just it. I know these are small mathematical terms. So if you want to know the dimension of this now, distance between this and this is very simple. Just take this tool. Okay, this is the node, right? Click and hold. Left click, hold, and drag it to where you want to stop. Like here now. Release your mouse. Left click and then you drag it outward like this. If this is where you want to leave your, you want to have your unit display, that is your measurement. You click and you see the values. Yeah, you can see 133.87, and this value you can change the font. If you don't like this font, you can change it to any other one. Let's say Times New Roman. Okay. Okay. Can change it to any other font. Okay, so can change it to any other font. You can increase the size as well. You can see it becomes very big. So that is it. And if you want it to be inside, see the same thing. You click from here, drag it to the end, and then inside instead of outside, inside, and left click, and you have it there. Okay, you have it like this. That's it, and very straightforward. So let's move to the next one. Okay, let us move to the next one. Okay, so the next one is what's a horizontal or vertical dimension tool. Do horizontal or vertical dimension lines. Okay, like this. Look at this rectangle now. If you look at this rectangle now, we have both horizontal and vertical lines. So for with this tool, you can easily measure okay, the height of this like this. Release and drag it out. You click. The same thing, if you want to measure from the other, that is the horizontal, now click, drag it to the end, that is node, where you see node. You release, drag it out or in, so let's say drag it out, click, and that is it. The same thing, you can change font and size, so that is it. So this one. So let's move to the next one. Next one is it was angular dimension to do angular dimension lines. Okay, so let's start with this one. We have a right angle triangle here, rectangle triangle. So if I want to measure this angle now, it's not something difficult. We just pick this tool from here, click, drag, and release the left click and bring it down. Can decide to place it here or here or here. So let us stop here, click, and you have it already. And 90 degrees, of course. So you can change the size as well. So the same thing. You can also measure other side like this one now. Let's measure the other side. Okay, like this. And you click, Okay, and we have 57. The same thing here. Click, drag it, bring it up and double click, and you have it like this. Okay, okay, okay. Drag it out so that I'll be able to see it. Okay, click and drag it out so that I'll be able to see it. Okay, now we can see our 32.55 degrees. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Very quick one to avoid wasting time. So the next one we have here is what is segment dimension to display distance between end nodes on single or multiple segments. We're using this one for that one. There's something like this. Don't do anything like this, and you use it. For example, now let's start. Let me measure from here. Just click, single click. I move it up like this. You click. And that's all. You have it there. This one as well. Just single click. Bring it down. Click again. This one as well. If you want to measure from here to here now, just single click. Bring it out and click, and that is all. Okay. That is all on this one. This one, so they're not that difficult to use. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at this one now. Okay, this one is also two-layer callout tool. So this one now you can use it to label your shapes. For example, now if you want to label this thing now, you can just click like this. You click and drag, release, then move it up like this. Click and start typing. Okay, whatever you want to type, you can type. You can highlight it to increase the size by 24 or so. Okay, and you have it there. If you don't want to have a curve line like this, you can just click and drag. When you get to this point like this, just click and type there. Okay, just click and type. Yeah, it's not something hard. Okay, and change the font and increase the size. Okay, and move it. Okay, so that is it on how to use dimension tools in Corridor. So you can also try out other shapes, but for now, that is it. So see you in the next video.